Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute door swag using all Dollar Tree products with the exception of this little sign in the middle. He's from Hobby Lobby, but he was only about $2, and I've just used an old wire hanger for this. So if you want to see how I made it, then keep on watching. So for this project you're going to need this little guy or some sort of sign. He's from Hobby Lobby. He was $3.99, but he was 40% off. Pumpkin embellishments. This is burlap from Dollar Tree. I have some scarecrow picks, which we're going to take the little stems off of. This ribbon from Dollar Tree. This ribbon from Dollar General. A package of this raffia from Dollar Tree. And then decorative mesh from Dollar Tree. This is multicolored. Tinsel stems, scissors, rotary cutter, and then lastly you need a wire hanger. And all I've done is turn this into a work wreath by using some hot glue, so these aren't going anywhere. And I've just pulled it down like this, so you still have the hanger up here to hang it on. So for this, we're gonna make big poofs. So all I'm gonna do is take the end of the mesh right here, grab it, and I'm gonna make a big poof and grab it with my hand. So I have one poof. I'm gonna go the other way, kind of like you're making a bow. Another poof. And another poof. So I'm starting with this brown color, and I'm going to put this in the back. So we'll start at the top. And all I'm going to do is go in between the tinsel stems. So there's our first color. Leave a little bit, and then we'll start making more poofs. This mesh from Dollar Tree this year is incredibly awful, if I do say so myself, honestly. This brown one has a whole string of green running through it on one end, which I'm not even sure how that happens, but it did. It's really poorly made this year. Okay, there's another bunch, and I'm just gonna go all the way down this. Just for reference, this did take 2 rolls of the brown. Now I think we'll take this multicolored one and make a loop. So just a loop. And we'll bubble that down. Go right on down the line with this. Like so, and just go all the way down the middle. So there are 6 sections or 6 tinsel stems to work with. So we're gonna make little roll bundles. So I've just cut 12 pieces of orange and 12 pieces of green, just long enough to be able to roll it. And we're just going to alternate the colors in. And then secure it down onto the wreath form. And now we have something that looks like this. So it's pretty full. So let's add a bow. It's gonna use this Dollar Tree ribbon here. And I'm gonna make a basic bow with a loop in the middle. You can make however many tails you want, or loops. I think I'll go with 6 loops should be good. I'm going to take a pipe cleaner, string it through the loop, bring it around the back, pull it tight, and secure it. So here is our bow. You can fluff this however you want to fluff it. And I'm going to put that at the top, I believe. And I'm going to take our little cute sign here. And I'm going to cut off and get it caught in the mesh with the little hanging wire that it comes with. Just cut that off because we don't want that. And I'm going to secure him down at the bottom. And I'm just gonna go ahead and glue these things down with hot glue. Okay, so here's the final product. Unfortunately, my phone was full and I didn't realize it when I was trying to film this, and it kicked out the last part of the video where I filmed putting these behind and this behind, but all I've done is attach everything using the little tinsel stems that we attach. So the raffia got attached that way, these little burlap rolls got attached that way, and then the pumpkin, the sign, and the flowers all got attached just using Gorilla Glue hot glue. So that is the finished product, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.